Hello, friends. Welcome to another Clean With Me edition. Today we are cleaning in the master bedroom. The first place I'm going to start is with our bed. I had already washed the sheets and bed covering, so now I'm just putting everything back on. About a month or so ago, I decided it was time for a change and was looking for a new comforter set for our bed. I found what I was looking for at TJ Maxx along with some pillows. I decided to go with a king size comforter set, even though our bed is a queen. I just wanted the comforter to come down farther on the sides of the bed. So that's what I'm doing right here is just pulling the comforter to kind of get it farther down on the bed and have it even on both sides. Now I'm just putting the pillowcases onto the pillows. We have a sleep number bed and sleep number pillows, and on the sleep number pillows, one side of it is higher than the other, and that's the side that you're supposed to sleep on. It gives you better support of your neck. So I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, and I like to have both of the opening of the pillows facing each other. So what you see me doing is feeling the pillow to see what side's higher than the other, so I know what way I should be putting the pillow into the pillowcase. I'm trying to make our bedroom a little bit more relaxing and cozier, so I'm adding a whole bunch of decorative pillows onto the bed. Now that the bed is done, it is time to move on to the rest of the room. I've got some dusting that needs to be done and some vacuuming. When I did the cleaning supplies shop with me video, I had picked up the Method Wood for Good Daily Clean. I'm really liking it. I feel it's really nice and light compared to like Pledge or something, so it's not leaving a heavy residue on my furniture. When I dust in our bedroom, I always like to dust the front of the dressers and the nightstands off because we seem to get some fingerprints on there, so it's nice to kind of get that all taken off. When cleaning windows and mirrors in the house, I like to use my homemade window cleaner and a microfiber cloth. I feel the cloth picks up the cleaner better than paper towel would, and the homemade cleaner leaves less streaks, unlike store-bought brands. Now that the mirror is clean, I'm going to finish up my dusting and then I will move on to vacuuming. When I vacuum our room, I like to start on the far side of the room by the windows and work towards the bedroom door. I stop the floor vacuuming to give the chair a quick vacuum. Our cat likes to sneak into our room from time to time and sleep in this chair, leaving behind her cat hair. And we have a tendency to hang clean clothes on this chair. So I thought I would give it a quick vacuum. That way, next time clothes get thrown over the chair, they don't get covered in her cat hair. Now I'm just finishing up with vacuuming the floors. I hope that my master bedroom clean with me inspired you in some way. I know I always enjoy watching cleaning videos. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell so you can be notified whenever we have a new video up.